Yes. This is Select Hybrid 10 box number 9. This stuff's been incredible today. So hopefully it continues. And we're going to WWE Select full case. Well, the people, WWE Select, they attacked it. They don't move, they attack it. It was in for an hour. And number 10 of this is hitting. Number 10 of this is hitting. Take your Optic Choice 20s. Your Contenders Hobby 135s. Your Contenders Hobby 135s are hitting. Or it's on the screen. Optic Choice 20s. Yes, Donruss is going. Donruss is going later. Yes, at least one Donruss. Just take them now. There's at least, I see gold courtside. I'm telling you, the premium colors flying out. Take your Donruss Hobby for it. It'll go in around 2 hours. In around 2 hours it'll go. 2 and change. The premium colors flying out. I see RPA. RPA. Good luck to all the collectors. A lot of color in here. Wow. Good luck. This stuff has been incredible. For the we slashed it. We made it by the 10, and the cases are better. So take the next one. We'll do one more of these. We'll squeeze it out. Barnes Silver. Barnes Disco. Let's go, Jalen Johnson. Red courtside of Harden on the Nets. Harden on the Nets. Gold courtside's coming. It's Will Barton for the Nuggets. He was a fan favorite. It's Will Barton. 3 of 10. That's annoying. Davion Disco. Kispert Disco. We have a red of DeJounte Murray for the Spurs. Trent. Blue. Jonas. What don't you understand? RPA in this box. And a red and a blue. Red. It's a rookie, Duarte, the Pacers. RPA, nice. Kuminga, nice piece for 718. Nice, he was a redemption in a lot of things last year. Nice, nice piece. Then we have a blue court side of Bamba, Magic, Heels. Sharp. Jalen Green. We got blue and red. Crazy amount of color. K Disco. Towns. Blue. Towns. Nice. Nice piece. 718. Red courtside of Giddey. Nice piece. 31 of 49. Some nice hits there. Couple nice pieces. 5 more boxes left in this break. 5 more. All right, guess the first parallel mishap. for 16. Then we're going to WWE Select. Then maybe we'll go to then we're going to Optic Choice. Someone do something to Optic Choice. It's there. Optic Choice is right there. We see at least one gold and at least an RPA. Take your 10s. This product's been insane today. Take your 10s. Take your 10s! It's funny hearing his sandals. You know it's him.
Slippers.
Yeah. Jalen Green Disco, Franz Silver. Yeah, it flew. Once people heard about it, it just beyond flew. Sharp. We'll try to get more cases. Once people saw it in the store, it went fast. It's next. Nice. Nice piece. Giannis Red. Really nice piece. Bane. McBride Silver. Mobley. Mobley Disco. But yeah, next one is going to hit the screen. All right, guess the gold for 16. There's at least one gold. At least. Duarte Silver. Duarte courtside. Nice. Cam Thomas Red. Nice piece for Harrison T. 978. Nice. LeBron. Courtside Disco. Scotty. Let's see who this RPA is. It could be a Magic or a Thunder. Good luck. The wrong Thunder. Earl. It's annoying. 718. Annoying piece. Bronze. We got red. D Rose. For the Knicks. Last box. Looks like it's a courtside gold. Nice Giannis Disco courtside. Red. Nice Trey Young. Nice PC piece for CTP. What's up, Hope? Kate. Gold courtside. Ooh, that's a sick piece. 718. Gold courtside of Kuminga.
Wow.
This is his make or break year. That is a sick piece. This is his make or break. Nice hit. That is sick. Make or break. Courtside, gold, 3 of 10. Really nice. Giannis, Jalen Green, silver. Recap it to the spot, then go to WWE. 10 is hitting. Take your 10s. Take your DSs. Throw that in your bag with your black. Cool. That's sick. We'll beat to sort these two. We'll see who wins a spot. Craziness. This product's been incredible today. Literally incredible. The premium color of these top rookies. Nuts. 7. I think 718 might be my 3 favorite numbers. 6. Oh no, 5, 6, and 7. Philly. 718! Gets it with Philly! He has 2 spots now.